In today's video, we'll be doing another tech quickie with the Oppo Enco free true wireless earphones. Hi everyone, my name is Janos, creator of Pinoy Techdad. Join me as we quickly dissect the Oppo Enco free to see if this is a pair of earphones you should consider. First off, the design is definitely Apple AirPods inspired, there's no denying it. But these do come in black or white colorways. Now what's unique, however, is that the Enco Free comes with ear tips. And from experience, they do actually help a little bit with the fit and they slightly alter the sound as well. So just like most true wireless earphones nowadays, you just need to open up the case cover and your device will detect the Enco Free. Pairing is as simple as that and there's pretty much nothing to it. Now sound-wise, the Enco Free is on the brighter side, so if you're a bass head, this might not be the most appealing earphones for you. There's still some bass, but the mids and the highs are definitely more pronounced. Pop music and songs that have great vocals will sound good on the Enco Free, but music that relies on heavy bass might not sound as good as it would on bass-boosted earphones. Now as for controls, the Enco Free operates with touch control, and what's different is that they don't just work with a tap, but also with a slide up and down motion as well. You can control the volume on the left earpiece with a slide up or a downward motion, and you can change tracks forward or backward with the right earpiece with a slide up or down motion as well. Of course, tapping both earphones will play or pause the music. Also, it has a motion sensor, so if you take them off, it will pause the music or whatever you're watching. Now, it might take some time to get used to the controls, but it becomes intuitive after a while. And before we conclude this video, and I told you this is just gonna be a very quick video, here's a quick microphone test from a surprise guest.
Hey guys, it's me, Mitch002, and today we're trying to test the Oppo Enco Free. Yeah, I'm doing a sound recording test for Pinoy Techdad, and it's amazing that I'm trying to use this Oppo product to sync with my Redmi product. Amazingly, it didn't get rejected. Based on my environment now, it's pretty quiet here and just the noisy electric fan. Okay, back to you, Pinoy Techdad.
Alright, so that was Sir Rich Mantan of Gadget Sidekick providing us with the microphone test. Make sure you check out his channel and subscribe as well for more tech reviews. And now if you want a more in-depth review of the Oppo Enco Free, do check out Sula Tech Reviews channel. Now at around $100 or 5,000 pesos, would I recommend the Enco Free? Well, if you prefer the AirPods design with a brighter sound signature, I guess. But if you want a more balanced experience, I actually prefer the Realme Buds Air over the Enco Free. And at $100, you should definitely check out the Jabi's Firefly 2 as well. Or if you want a better value option, you can go with the Sabat X12 Ultra or the E12 Ultra. And then for a budget option, you can actually check out the Soundpeats True Capsule as well. Anyway, if you want to check out any of the true wireless earphones I mentioned in this video, do check out the links in the description box. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.